Let me show you all about muscle contraction. First of all, for any of this to happen, action potential has to be sent from the brain or spinal cord and arrive to an axon terminal at the neuromuscular junction. That causes calcium channels to open and calcium to rush in. Calcium will stimulate exocytosis, vesicles holding acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is released into the synaptic cleft, where it will bind to acetylcholine receptors at the motor end plate, which also causes sodium channels to open and for sodium to rush in. This causes a depolarization in the sarcolemma. Acetylcholinesterase breaks down any ACH that remains in the synaptic cleft, and a wave of depolarization travels down the T-tubules and causes calcium channels to open. Calcium from terminal cisternae of the sarcoplasmic reticulum will bind to tropomine. That will cause the displacement of tropomyosin, which in turn will expose myosin binding sites. The myosin head releases PI and then turns to bind to the myosin binding sites. The sliding movement will cause ADP to be released, and ATP will then attach itself to the myosin head, which will return everything to normal. It itself will turn back into ADP and PI, and then awaits the next cycle where it will do everything all over again.